Use nothing but the best in water treatment solutions, providing complete treatment and preventative protection of your system with State SuperHot Boiler Treatment. This treatment utilizes a combination of powerful scale and corrosion inhibitors in conjunction with an oxygen scavenger to provide you with a complete steam boiler program. This unique blend of polymer-based inhibitors prevents scale and promotes the formation of light, fluffy sludge that can be easily removed. By preventing scale and reducing sludge, SuperHot Boiler Treatment controls the damaging oxygen corrosion commonly found in steam boiler systems. This program protects your boiler system and maximizes the life of your equipment. Add SuperHot Boiler Treatment to your feed water tank at 6 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 gallons of water in order to achieve a sulfite test of 30 to 60 parts per million. Cold feed water and higher dissolved oxygen may require higher doses to achieve sufficient sulfite residual levels. Not only is State's SuperHot Boiler Treatment convenient and efficient, it will effectively provide the best solutions to your boiler system maintenance program. SuperHot Boiler Treatment, another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.